My name is Alexnader K. I'm a Liberian. Having completed my study at ThinkNEXT Technology Private Limited, studying at ThinkNEXT Technology has been a great experience for me that we of course I look forward in achieving a lot of great things and also having a good time here. Now I'm encouraging everybody to take ThinkNEXT Technology Private Limited as a best alternative, because studying at ThinkNEXT Technology you stand to benefit a lot of things, which of course that will add great value to your academic expertise and to also improve your technical knowledge or skill as well. Thanks.